Welcome to the module number 13 of the digital marketing course. So in the previous video, we talked about widgets, and in this video, we are going to talk about the next and one of the most important parts of a WordPress website, which is themes. So we have been talking about, not knowing coding and still making some changes on the website, on the design front and everything. So how do we do all of that? Well, that comes from the themes itself. Okay. So now themes, as you can see on the appearance tab, it is the first option. So let's just go and discover that without wasting any time. So clicking on themes, you will see that the current themes that WordPress has provided you by default are these four. Okay. The names of the themes are 2017, 2019, Sinatra, and 2020. And this one is the active theme right now, as you can, just observe from the design that is available here. Okay. But what if I want to change it? So see, there are a lot of options actually. There is you can see that there is a customize button, and we are going to learn about that in the next video, that what all can be customized. But this video is mainly about how to change a theme and how to install a theme. What are ways are there to install a theme, and how many themes are available to me for free, and what if I want to add in a paid theme as well. Okay, so in the themes part, let's just first talk about how to change a theme. So you can see here that WordPress has provided you many themes. Okay, they are installed, but there are a lot of other options available to you. But let's just play around with the themes that we have at hand currently. So now this theme is active. Let's talk about activating the Sinatra theme. But as you can see, with the activate button, there is a button called as live preview, which just like there was a preview button in the posts or pages that you create, wherein you can see the changes that you have made to the post without actually making them public for the world. You can similarly click on live preview and see how your website will look with this theme. Okay, so I've clicked on the live preview part, and let's see, now you will be amazed at the amount of changes that you can actually see here. The entire look of your website is going to be changed. See, now everything has changed. The footer has changed. The sidebar has changed. Now, if I click on the blog part, because that's where our content is, you will understand what all changes have been made. So see here that, the blogs, the look and feel of the blogs has been changed. All right. And you can see that there is a button called activate and publish. So if I just click on activate and publish right now, if I just reload my website, you will see that the styles have not been changed as of now. These are the, the styles of the previous theme, the 2020 theme that had been installed. Okay. But if I just go ahead and click on activate and publish, right? I just did that, and you can see that it has been published here. And now when I reload the page, the entire look of the website is going to get changed. So see how simple it is, how easy it is to actually go ahead and change the look and feel of a website. So how to, if I just click on one of these posts, you will see that how the inside of a post has changed as well. Cool, isn't it? The comments, right? The footer. See, now the previous theme just had 2 footers, but now there are 4 footers with this theme. And you can see here that it is written, click here to assign a widget, click here to assign a widget, click here to assign a widget. So this means that now when I go to the widgets area, inside the WordPress, you can actually place your widgets in 4 areas. All right. And you can see how the menu has changed. The entire design has changed, right? So this is how simple it is to change the theme. But now, you can see that there is still a change button. So if I just change the button, and then if I click on the change button, you can see that the installed themes that are available to us are 2017, 2019, and then there is this 2020. So you can go ahead and even change these themes as well. Like if I want to change it to 2019 theme, okay, I'm going to click on the live preview part, and then I'm going to, see how it is looking, if I like it or not. All right. And then I'm going to click on activate and publish. Now this is how the 2019 themes look. So I'm going to click on activate and publish for you to show how easy it is to, change it. So let's just reload it, and now the look and feel will be again changed within a matter of seconds. See how the featured image is being used by this theme, how beautiful it is being used, and how clean it is. Right. And now see, the entire look and feel has been changed. The colors have been changed. Okay. All these options that you see here are part of the customize option that was available below the themes inside the appearance tab. Okay. So I'm going to talk about them in the next video. But right now, the main purpose of this video is on how you can actually change your themes. What all themes you have, as options for free that you can actually install, and what are the different ways to install a theme. So just let's talk about them. Now you can see here that there are 4 themes available, but actually when you have decided and fixed on one theme, then you don't need all the other themes, because all these themes have some sizes. Remember when I told you about that the website content has some space, right, in MBs, okay, and in, or maybe in KBs. But when you don't want something, then why would you want to, load your server with something which is of no use to you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, delete the themes that I don't want. All right. This is something which, a lot of people don't do, and they just, clutter their website with some, stuff that is just, present on the server without any use, and it's just making the, server heavy and reducing your, space on the server. Okay. So let's just delete these themes. So what you have to do is click on the theme details part and click on the delete button. Right, so I'm going to delete all of them in front of you, and we will just keep one theme that we need for our website. Okay, so this is the option here, the delete button, and now you can see that only one theme is available, and there are these options: widgets, menus, and premium themes. Okay, we're going to talk about them. Customize is something which we are going to talk about in the next video. Now you can see that there is an option of there is an option called upload. Okay, or there is an option of premium themes. So if I click on the premium themes part, you will now see that the premium themes are the ones that Bluehost actually provides you. So now in the premium themes, you can go ahead and buy these themes if you want. So see, if you like the, let's just check out one theme. So let's talk about this Creatica theme. Okay, so let's just preview it. Okay, when we click on the preview, now a dynamic preview of this theme will be loaded up, wherein you can see that how your website will look when you install this theme. Okay, so let's see. The details of the themes are available here, that it is of $59 US. Okay, so yeah, it's taking them some time to load. 1,304 sales have been made. All right, so see, this is the theme, and here is the link to view the demos. So let's just view the demos. Like, maybe you want this theme, classic restaurant. So let me click on it, and you can see the demo of this theme. With these themes, since there are a lot of demos available, so it means that, with this $59 that you spend, you can actually shape your website as per these themes as well. I guess you will get all these themes inside the package that you buy when you buy the theme itself. Okay. So yeah, so this is how, you can change your website completely. The design of your website will be this when you install this theme. Isn't it great? Isn't the design looking good? But obviously, for this to be good, you will have to buy this theme. Okay, so this is the one thing that you can do. But I'm going to go back to our WordPress dashboard. All right, let's just go back to themes again, and see, we have seen the premium themes option, but let's just go to themes. And I'm going to show you a lot of WordPress themes that WordPress provides you for free. So that button is WordPress.org themes. All right. So this is the option. Let's click on it. And now you can see that WordPress has more than 3,000 themes that you can use. All right. Or maybe even more than that. I don't know the count. Okay. So on the current page, you can see just a few of them. But if you go ahead and, do the feature filter, okay, like, then you can choose that what kind of look and feel and features do you want in a theme. So maybe I want a theme for my blog. So I will click on a blog, and then I want the features, like I want custom background, I want to set custom colors, I want to set custom header. Okay. And I want it to be a 2-column layout theme. All right. When I apply these filters, now WordPress is going to show me only those themes that have all these options. Okay. So see the number of options that you have now. See, when I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and it's not ending. So you can actually select your theme out of all these options as well, and all of these are available to you for free. Okay, so let's just try any one of them to show you how it all works. So let's see, okay, maybe I have a software company, I have a service, so I want to install such a theme for software wherein I have this custom landing page, right? So okay, I want to preview it. Let's see how it's going to look. See, so the blog part is actually going to look like this. Okay, and I am okay with it. So let's go to the home page, let's go to the about page and check. So this is how the fonts are going to look, right? And let's just check the parent page. Let's just check the sub page as well, right? So I'm going to install it. And now obviously, just like, the style of the theme changed, the style of the website changed earlier, it's going to change again as well. So now I have activated the SKT themes. Okay, you can see here. So if I just reload my blog, it's going to look entirely different. See, the look has been changed again. If I click on the blog part, you know, these are now all changed, right? And you can see that how a featured image looks actually. I was talking about the featured images in one of the previous videos, that featured image comes like this when we share a post, and even in the WordPress website that you have, the featured images are going to look like this. And now you can also see that with the change of themes, the widgets that you had earlier placed in the footer are now displaying in the sidebar. Right now, what is a sidebar? Sidebar is also a location wherein you can add your widgets. Okay. And you can see how the font styles have changed, the colors have changed, right? The tagline, how it is smaller in size. So these are all the options available for a theme. Okay, so now you know how to install a theme from inside of WordPress, right? You can use these filters. I'm not going to go in deeper into this, but then there is one more option called upload. So, you know, even if you have purchased a theme which was not available inside of WordPress, then how would you actually install that theme? Okay, so just let me show you what I mean by that. So, you know, let me just, you know, search for free WordPress themes for blog. Okay, let me show you what I mean by, you know, adding those themes. So like there are 64 best free WordPress blog themes. So let's just click on it, and let's find out one that we like. So like Ocean WP, this is one of my favorite themes, and this is what I'm going to use in my future videos as well. So let's go ahead and install it. All right, so when I click on it, now you can see that, you know, this theme is getting opened up in the WordPress directory itself, wordpress.org. So this theme is also available inside of WordPress. Okay, let me just show you that. If we search for themes Ocean WP here, it is going to show up here as well, and I can directly install it as well. See, Ocean WP is available. What I want to show you is the feature that if you want to, you know, if you have downloaded the theme from somewhere, how would you install it on your website? So see here that, you know, if I click on the download button, there is a zip file that just got downloaded. Okay, it's getting downloaded now. Now what I can do is in the add themes part, you know, I have an option of uploading the theme. So if I click on upload theme, I will choose this file from my downloads directory. Okay, and then I will click on install now, and you can see at the bottom the theme is getting uploaded. Right, see here at the left hand corner, the theme is getting uploaded. It has uploaded to be 25% and above, and when it gets uploaded, it's going to get installed. All right, so this is what I meant to show you, that regarding themes, these are all the options that you can do. And in the next video, I'm going to show you all the customizations that a theme can provide you. And the theme that I have installed right now, Ocean WP, is one of those themes that is my favorite because it has a lot of customization options available. All right, some themes won't have, you know, many options will not be available, but Ocean WP is one theme that has a lot of customization options available, and I'm going to show you that. So see, the theme has been installed, and now either I can live preview it or I can activate it, but I'm going to directly go ahead and activate it. Okay, so in this video itself, I'm going to show you the difference between the different customization options. All right, so let's just reload our page now, and you will see how the look and feel will change again. Okay, now this is looking very basic, but you can actually change it to anything. You can change the entire look and feel of the website, and in the next video I'm going to go ahead deeper into the customization part, wherein you can see all the options that you can change. All right, so let me just show you the different features, you know, the customization options available in WordPress, this Ocean WP theme. So let's just click on customize. If I click on this customize or that customize, it's going to open up the same window, so don't worry about that. All right, so let's wait for it to open up. The customize area is the part where you can, you know, change the entire look and feel of your website without coding. The colors, the fonts, right, and all the other background options. Everything is going to come up here in a few seconds. It's taking some time to load, so let's wait for it to load. Yeah, so you can see here that all the options that we have here are site identity, colors, menus, widgets, homepage settings, general options, typography, top bar, header, blog, sidebar, footer widgets, footer bottom. So all these can be changed. All right, but now I want to show you that what is the difference between Ocean WP and the other theme that we had installed earlier. You can see the tons of options that we are getting here, right? In the general options, we have these options. In the typography, we have these. We are going to talk about them in detail in the next video, but what I want to show you is that not all themes are the same. Okay, so if I install the install the 2019 theme again, you know, if I just click on the live preview part, you can see that how the options have reduced here. Okay, so this is what the difference is, that some themes are going to have a lot of options and some themes are going to have very few options, and the premium themes that you buy are going to have a lot of options. Obviously, that is what they are charging you for, right? So that you don't, if you don't know coding, you can, you know, do everything. So see here, when we talk about SKT themes, you know, some options have increased, but they're definitely less than the options available in the Ocean WP theme. This is why I love the Ocean WP theme that much. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about all of these options in the in our OceanWP theme. Okay, so right now let's just go back and let me just click on the customize here. Okay, or let me just go back and delete the unwanted themes, because that is the best practice. I always delete the unnecessary stuff. So since we are here deleting the unnecessary stuff, let me just delete the SKT software theme now, and let me delete the 2019 theme as well. And since we are on the spree of deleting, I also want to actually go ahead and delete the default post and the default page that WordPress has provided. Okay, and I can also delete the default comment as well. But when I delete the default post, which was this one, okay, the comment will get automatically deleted. But since we have changed the content, right, so there is no default post to delete, but there is this one comment. So let's go to the comments part and delete this comment. See, I can just select it and I can trash it. All right, now the comment has been deleted. So if I go to the posts again, and you can see here that no comment is here now. If I open up this post, the comment is not going to be there. All right, let's just open this page. Since we're talking about the best practices, I thought I should delete it in front of you, or I could have done it after switching off my camera as well. But why not here itself? It takes just a few seconds. So see, now the comment is not there. Talking about the pages, the sample page, I want to delete it. I will just click on trash and the page is deleted. So all the unwanted stuff is now deleted except for the plugins that WordPress has provided, right? So we are going to talk about the plugins after we talk about the customization options available in the OceanWP theme, all right? And after that, we are going to start talking about the page builder. So that's actually something I really love using, and that is why I'm really excited that we talk about that page builder part. But obviously, before using that, you need to know the different challenges that we get when we don't get a page builder for ourselves. Okay, and you're going to see that in the next video where we talk about the customization options. Though the OceanWP theme has a lot of customization options, but still it doesn't provide all the options that a page builder provides you. Okay, so this is me, Anmol Dugal, signing off from this video. We'll see you in the next one where we're going to talk about the customization options of the OceanWP theme. Bye bye.